What's up, people? This is your boy Blaze, Blaze Mulenzi. So if you're new here, kindly make a subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video of mine, you are aware of it. So in today's vlog, I just wanted to show you around my area when there's a rain, what people face. So I'm voicing it because there was a lot of noise in the background because of rain. So let me take a round. As you see, that is one of the streets that I can show you people. So as you see in those streets, there are a few cars, but should be full of cars in those streets because there's a lot of rain. People didn't manage to come in time. So let me take and show why the intention of this video of today, why I'm going to yes, how people do suffer in this weather. Okay, I mean people don't go for work because of this rain. When there's a lot of rain in the city, people don't work. As I am today, didn't get to work as early as I wish to go there. So let me take you around the town. I'll be showing you how people were just overcrowded, how taxis were overcrowded because of people. So they were in those taxis and they didn't manage to get out, so taxis continued coming in the taxi park. So people were unable to move out of the taxis, so it led to those taxis to overcrowd, to make an overcrowd. So let me take you and you do what, and you also look into it, and as I don't waste your time, so let's move here and we see how they were overcrowded around this town of Marala, western part of Uganda. Okay. Well, as you see people were just fighting to board those taxis. So it was still raining, but people were fighting to load to board those taxis. As you see, those people are congested, so they're not even following the SOPs of coronavirus for sure, for real. As I told you, if you're new here, just kindly beg you, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video of mine, you're aware of it, and then you get informed about my vlogs, about my talks, shows, whatever I upload. You can always be aware of it. As you see, those are buses that side, so I didn't manage to go there, but I specialized on these smaller taxis. So in the next video I'll bring you buses. So but in this, let's get this taxi. So I do ask you, how is it in your countries? How is it in your area? So for us, when it is rainy season, taxis, for real, they don't work. They don't get to work because people are not friendly to rain. As you see, they were congested. For real, they didn't even for the SOPs. Okay. Exactly. If you haven't subscribed, please do it, and make sure that you comment that I be aware that you subscribed, and inform me, let me know that you subscribed by commenting down in the commenting section that you have done it, or you're in love with this video, man. So let me say, stay abreast. Okay, let me turn the camera upside down. Okay.